Hey guys, my name is Dr. Tyler Forbes. So, disc issues. Pretty scary stuff, right? You have all this pain and you go into the doctor and they tell you, God, you know what? You've got a protruded disc or a bulging disc or degenerative disc. Well, I'm here to tell you the great news. Most people have a disc problem. They just don't know about it. And so I don't want you to get too fearful about the disc issue, guys. I don't want you to think you're broken. You're not. The truth is the biggest thing that contributes to the pain of discs is really inflammation. And how we get rid of inflammation is by motion. And how we get motion is really determined by the amount of activity and exercise, and also the looseness in the muscles surrounding the area that actually corresponds to the disc problem. And so when we deal with disc issues, not only do we deal with it at a segmental level from a vertebra standpoint, but also loosening all the subsequent tissues around to allow that area to move the best it possibly can to reduce the inflammation. Real simple, real easy, guys. If you don't believe me, go do the research. I'm going to tell you all the stuff that I'm saying is really, really scientifically driven. I want you to stop being fearful, and I want you to stop thinking that you're getting old, because you're not. You're only as old as your body moves, and we want to get you back to where you need to be, which is moving and loving the things you do. So if you really want to dive into it, look at the videos below. We'll explain some of the anatomy and physiology. We'll also show you some treatment styles that we do in correspondence to this topic. All right, thank you.